Hello everyone, welcome to my channel RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I'll show you how to update Windows Server 2022 from the internet step by step. This guide is simple and useful for system administrators and beginners. Open Check for updates. Now Windows will search for available updates. If updates are found, click Download and Install. Before we start, let's understand why updates are important. Improve security. Fix bugs. Enhance performance. So always keep your server up to date. Once completed, restart the server if required. To check Windows Server 2022 update status, open Windows Update. Show you are up to date. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.